At the beginning, we need a solid and transparent base where we'll build the shape of our bookmark. A thin sheet of plexiglass with a thickness of 0.04 inches works perfectly here. The next step is forming the outline of the bookmark using flat aluminum wire. I use it because it's easy to shape but still stiff enough to hold. I glue the finished shape directly onto the plexi using hot glue, which prevents the resin from leaking out of the frame. I shape a flower design using the wire, but that's just one of many possibilities. You can create something completely different: a heart, a leaf, a feather, or an abstract pattern. The most important thing is that the form must be closed because we'll be filling it with resin later. Using hot glue, I create small chambers, temporary containers where I mix UV resin with different pigments. I use Let's Resin UV resin, which works great for small projects. It cures quickly and gives beautiful, clear results. With a thin stick, I begin very carefully adding resin inside the floral shape. I apply it drop by drop. It's a slow process, but incredibly satisfying. Each layer of resin is cured using a wireless UV lamp. Small, portable, and super practical. No cords to get in the way. You'll find the link to the lamp in the video description. If you want to fill larger areas of the form, use regular epoxy resin. I'm using Let's Resin mixed with pearl pigment to get a soft, shimmery finish. The final effect is truly stunning: deep, three-dimensional, and glossy. Once everything is cured, it's time to remove the hot glue. The best method, isopropyl alcohol. It loosens the glue perfectly without damaging the form. One of my viewers shared this amazing tip with me. If that was you, leave a comment below and thank you so much for the advice. This time, I'm trying something different. Resin sent me ready-made bookmark molds, so there's no need to create wireframes manually. Each mold has a unique shape and beautifully detailed patterns. It's a great solution for anyone who wants to save time. You'll find the link to the molds in the video description. I glue the mold to the plexi just like before, with hot glue and firmly pressed edges. Now for the most fun part, coloring and filling the mold. I experiment with different pigments and additives so that each bookmark is one of a kind. I'd like to invite you to visit my Etsy shop, where you can purchase my handmade pieces. Each one is made with care and passion. If you're looking for a unique gift, this is the right place. If you're outside the European Union and want to place an order, just message me on Facebook. I'll gladly help find a way to ship it to you without any hassle. To all of my channel supporters, thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thanks to your help, I can invest in better materials, tools, and dedicate more time to creating. Your support means the world to me. Each finished bookmark is completed with a decorative cord included in the kit. A simple touch, but it makes the bookmark look elegant and ready to be gifted to someone special or tucked into your favorite book. And now, the promised giveaway. What do you need to do? Subscribe to my channel. Leave a comment. Do you like reading books? What kind? How often? I will personally pick the most interesting comment, and the winner will receive the bookmarks made in this video, or blank molds so you can create your own. If you enjoyed this video, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell, and don't forget to join the giveaway. Let me know if adding voice to the video is a good idea. Many people have asked about this.